So this device simulation can be really useful if you're targeting specific devices and you want to make sure that the site looks right. Now Chrome will simulate the size as well as the pixel density. So as we go to older devices, let's say an iPhone 3GS, and refresh, you might be able to tell that the logo here looks a little bit more fuzzy. That's because the iPhone 3GS didn't have a high pixel density, and so our image code is now delivering a low density logo for this device. On the device itself, we wouldn't really notice because everything is going to be in low density. But here in the browser, we see that everything is crisp. All of our icons and our lines are crisp, but the image is not. And that's okay. This will still look good on this device. Now this simulator in Chrome can also simulate slower bandwidth speeds. So let's say we wanted to simulate what an old school modem might be like. We could simulate this 50 kilobits per second. And then if we refreshed, you'd see it takes a little bit more time to load the page. We're still loading, and we'd be waiting for a while. I'm gonna go back to no throttling here. Now there's certain specifics that can't really be simulated in the browser here, but we have some of the big ones. We have pixel density and viewport size.